Love great coffee? Well, for a better brew, use affresh appliance care to fight hard water stains and mineral buildup that can ultimately affect your coffee's taste and machine performance. Luckily, affresh coffee maker cleaner for both single-serve and multi-cup brewers is simple and without that lingering vinegar smell. First, for multi-cup coffee makers with large reservoir openings, fill the reservoir to the max level with clean water. That's good. Next, drop an affresh coffee maker cleaner tablet right into the reservoir. Then run a clean or brew cycle. When complete, empty the brew pot, then run one more pot of water through your machine to complete the cleanse. Now listen up. If your multi-cup coffee maker's reservoir has a screen or is too small for the tablet, no sweat. Affresh coffee maker cleaner has got you covered. Just fill the brew pot with water, drop in one affresh tablet, and wait until it completely dissolves. Next, pour the brew pot solution into the reservoir, and then run a clean or brew cycle. When complete, empty the brew pot, then run one pot of clean water through your machine to finish the cleanse. Simple enough, right? Now for single-serve brewers, no, we didn't forget about you. In fact, affresh appliance care works great for your machines. So, here we go. First, fill the reservoir to the max level with clean water. Next, drop in an affresh coffee maker cleaner tablet right into the reservoir. Then place a large cup beneath the spout, right here, and run 2 clean or brew cycles at the largest cup size. Please make sure to discard the dirty water after each cycle. Don't want an overflow. Then when complete, empty and rinse out the reservoir, refill it with clean water, and then run 2 additional brew cycles to complete the cleanse. That's it. Now you're back to delicious coffee. So for a confident clean, use affresh appliance care monthly on all of your hardworking appliances and never question your clean.